We'll start on the left side, where we see, yes, the obvious, the ears and the eyes, and the hooves, which are, by the way, shedding. We'll come back to that in a while, because that happens all the while through gestation. Even with us, we do shed our skin. We actually ingest our skin to give our gastrointestinal tract a chance to practice before we're born. I'll point out this, that there is a little incision here. That little incision is where we can go from superficial, remember these anatomical reference points, to deep. That is an area where latex was injected so we can see the blood vessels better inside. But yes, indeed, this is a triploblastic animal, as all animals are, so we can use these anatomical directions. Anterior, posterior. Another word almost the same for posterior is what? Caudal, where the tail is. Opposing that is cephalic. Although now that we have come into the world of vertebrates, we can now use what word instead of cephalic? Cranial. Dorsal, ventral. Medial, right down the midline. Away from the midline, lateral. One other thing to show on this is something that not all pigs have. Only half of them do. And that would be certain reproductive areas. This is a female showing the genital papilla. That is where both the vaginal vault and the urinary system end. Let's look at another couple of things that both sexes have. Yes, those are mammary glands. If the guys watching this don't think they have them, well, take a look. You do. They just don't get as active. On to the male parts. Well, there's a much longer urethra in the male, which ends right here, just behind the umbilical cord, which of course both sexes have. Scrotum, and we will see inside that a little bit later when we identify the reproductive parts.